Yeah. Okay, Alan. MI6 HAD DS9 VH. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Alan. Yeah, I have forgotten that. Yeah, the question is a license. Yeah, the license rule or law. Yeah, I had forgotten that. Yeah, sure. 10 watts, and the next step is 400 watts. Yeah, I know that. I have forgotten that. Yeah, that's advanced license step. The next one. Yeah, only two. Only two things. Yeah, okay, that's the reason why. Yeah, okay. That's all. By the last over, Alan, exactly 5 dB over 9, and believe me or not, without any preamp, without any certainly attenuation in my receiver front end, exactly 5 dB over 9, and my 40-meter dipole, I observed that over 5-6 years. I have a feeling of that. What going good, and what's middle class. Yeah, that. Okay, fine. Alan, let me out. I wish you a very good evening over there. Area to Belfast, Northern Ireland, and yeah. I going down and looking what's going on with my two wives, daughter, and with my wife. She coming just now. 73 in that direction. DS9 Victor Henry. Okay, thank you very much indeed for the contact. It's been a pleasure. Yeah, I'm very pleased with that report with my 10 watts. Yeah, I'm looking at 10 watts. My dipole is quite high. So I think that's why I'm doing that so well. I live close to the sea, so the sea, so there we go. Okay, 73, so Frank, and thank you very much indeed for the contact. I hope to meet you again. Delta Fox 9, Vector Hotel, Mike MDS, Hotel Alpha Delta, night clear, 73, bye-bye. Yeah, okay, fine. Fine, Ellen, it's a breaker just now. Let me see, by the last turn, by the last over, exactly 10 dB over 9, and I think you can connect it here every station in Europe with 10 watts. Outstanding propagation just now. Other station in the background waiting on you. I wish you a good evening. EF9VH.